Hello YouTube. Here is a little update about my compost pile. Last fall I created most of this pile. Most of it is wood chips, leaves and coffee grounds. 4 days ago the pile would not get any heat. So 4 days ago I decided to buy a bale of hay, and I added that in layers to the pile, and some molasses with water. And today I added the extra wood on the outside, but I was trying to get some heat in the pile. And another thing that I am doing is that I am pumping air into the pile with my fish pond air pumps at a rate that is about 90 liters per minute, and I pump it in for half an hour on and half an hour off, so it is on a timer. I was getting a message on my phone about the light, but it doesn't care, we just continue. I have a PVC pipe that is going in, and it's going to the bottom, and it looks a bit like this. I hope that you can see it. It is not the most accurate drawing, but it gives you an idea about how it looks. So this is the top of the pipe where the hose is connected. It goes down, and it is not just a straight pipe, but they made a circle, and in the middle there are two pipes as well, and I drilled holes in the pipes, and the pile of compost is sitting on top of this, and a little over here. The pile itself is about 1.5 meter wide at the base and about a meter high. So this is well over a ton of biomass. So it is a lot of biomass, and I was getting tired of turning the pile around every single day. But since 4 days ago I added the hay and the molasses, and finally we have success. I have a special temperature gauge with a long probe that is 50 centimeters, that is about 19.5 inches. And we are in the perfect temperature zone. It is almost 45 degrees Celsius in the middle of the pile, but when I put the probe at a different position, it is still a little bit cooler. Here it is still a little under ideal temperature, but that is why I put the wood here and there, and I am hoping that the temperature will go up a little. It has been rising since I added the hay 4 days ago, so I am pretty convinced that it will go up even more. But look, this is how long the probe is, 50 centimeters, and they are not expensive at all. It is well worth to buy it, because now you know for sure what the temperature is. And it will keep going up. So I call it a big success. I will keep pumping the air for half an hour on and half an hour off, and it is connected with the air hose that goes all the way through there, and it goes into that little brick shed where I have the air pump on the inside of the building with the timer. But this is the pile, and the nice thing about it is that I do not have to turn the pile manually every single day. Now I can measure with the probe, and when the temperature goes down, I assume that it is an indicator that the bacteria have consumed most of the food, and then I can decide to turn the pile and to give them new food, and then the process can start over again. But at least the temperature is in the right zone in the middle of the pile, and also when I put it a bit lower, it goes up again. And just to show you that it is really the inside temperature from the pile, I will keep the probe out for a while so that you can see that the temperature is going down. If I stand here long enough, it will go down to 15 degrees Celsius, but let's stick it in. And see how fast it rises. So if I can maintain this temperature, I will be a very happy camper. But I suspect that it will go up a little more. And we have the first flowers of the season. There is one. And here is a little one hiding. And I think that this is a tulip. I'm not sure. I planted some tulips here, but also some other ones. We're not supposed to see tulips yet, but nature is a little bit confused, and spring is coming early this year. The garden still of the pond is still looking as if it is still winter, but it is slowly coming to life again. Well, folks, that's enough about the compost pile. I am very happy about how things are going. The aerating sure seems to work very well, so I just keep on doing it. And as long as the temperature is in the right zone, I don't see any issues at all. That's it. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.